Hi, my name is Theo Dunas. I'm the Learning Excellence Leader in Scott Sutherland School of Architecture and the Built Environment. I'm here to explain our work on the BIM and blockchain integration project, kindly funded by the Robert Gordon University Pump Fund. The BIM and blockchain integration project seeks to radically redefine value creation, trust, and collaboration in architectural design and the built environment. But first things first, what is BIM or Building Information Modeling? Building information modeling is a model-based process that gives architecture, engineering, and construction professionals effective digital and integrated tools to design, test, and finally construct our buildings and our cities. You see here a test model that I'm running on one computer. In theory, other architects could connect to the database behind the model and help me edit the model. It is essential a collaborative digital design technology. However, some problems emerge immediately. How do I know who made which changes? After I have created a model, can I sell it online and make extra profit? Who and how makes decisions on how to design using this technology? To answer some of these questions, we turned to blockchain technologies. For this project, we use the Ethereum blockchain. Distributed ledger technologies, and specifically blockchains, are essentially distributed databases between various computing nodes. Due to their distributed nature, it is difficult to establish a common agreed version of the truth between nodes. For example, one can write two different strings in two different computing nodes hosting a copy of the database. We would then end up with two or more competing versions of the truth. Blockchains use a unique mechanism to establish consensus regarding which operation and transaction on a distributed database network is true and which one is not. The main consensus tools with which nodes establish the truth among them are called proof of work and proof of stake. Both of these consensus tools create a new block on the blockchain, validating a series of operations. Each new block contains the cryptographic hash of the previous block, hence the new block becomes the latest one in a chain, ending up with the term blockchain. Initial blockchain systems were created so that digital distributed currencies could become possible, such as Bitcoin. However, blockchains allow the computation of much more than simple additions. Imagine, for example, the Ethereum blockchain that we are using in our project as a decentralized world computer where all operations taking place are recorded forever. We are building 3 prototypes that integrate building information modeling and the Ethereum blockchain. The prototypes focus in the conceptual architectural design, in team collaboration and project governance, and in post-occupancy of buildings. We are about to launch the world's first designed decentralized autonomous organization using the DAOstack.io platform. And we're also close to finishing building the world's first connector between BIM and a smart contract running in the Ethereum blockchain. This connector will enable new modes of collaboration and competition between designers working on a project. A third prototype, which we have designed but we will build over the summer, is a digital twin recorded on the blockchain, where events taking place in the real world in a building component will be recorded first on the blockchain and then on a digital twin BIM model of the component. My collaborators on this have been Dr. Wasim Jabi from Cardiff University, Dr. Davide Lombardi from Sian Yao Tong Liverpool University in China, with the additional help from experienced designer Kate McKay from Fortitude and lawyer Michelle Gook. Avalon consultants have been crucial in helping with code writing for our BIM blockchain connector. And I would also like to thank DAOstack.io for help with configuring our DAO. In terms of output, so far we have had 2 publications in international conferences in the field, such as CADRIA in New Zealand and ICADE in Portugal. And we're also now actively writing a journal publication which will be submitted to the International Journal of Architectural Computing in the end of June. We are, of course, in the process of submitting a larger funding bid so that we can continue the work. The Robert Gordon University Pump Fund has so far funded the workshop in January and, of course, all of the work on building the software prototypes. If you are intrigued by the work and if you would like to get in touch, we are really interested in the wide-ranging applications that blockchain can have in any condition of the built environment or any problem that has a spatial dimension. We are in particular interested in questions of energy, environment, design, and collaboration. So if you'd like to get in touch, just send an email to t.dunas@rgu.se.uk or visit us on arcchain.cc. Many thanks for your attention.